Hey guys, Richard with Dent Hero. I've got a BMW 5 Series dent on the left rear door. Let's take a look. It's a beautiful car. This guy really takes care of this older BMW, but he's got a little door ding. Kind of hard to see in this lighting above the handle there. Looks like an easy dent, but this one's actually kind of tricky. Reason being, we normally like to get behind dents and push from the inside. This section, there's an intrusion beam or some reinforcement all along the top part of that door, so can't go through the window. So I think I'm gonna have to take this door apart and try to sneak behind that dent and fix it. Normally I would do a glue pull. I would put some hot glue on a tab, pull from the outside, but this door has been repainted. So whenever you repaint a car, the paint's a little bit weaker than an OEM finish, so there's always a chance when you do a glue pulling technique that you could pull off a chunk of paint, and we don't want to do that, because if I pulled off the paint, a little chunk of paint on that door, we'd have to paint the whole side of the car pretty much to match this silver. So game plan here: take the interior trim panel apart, maybe remove the handle, get behind there and fix the dent. All right, stay tuned. Okay, all done. Let's take a look. So this little dent was a challenge, man. I was struggling just because it was so hard to get a tool on the back side of that metal. I could just get some really thin whale tails underneath that reinforcement and just slowly, methodically push it out. So sometimes the small ones are the most challenging. All right, thanks for watching.